Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see accountancy chapter number 4 recording of transaction 2 video number 36. In this class we are going to discuss about the sales return journal book. We know that just previous classes we had seen or discussed about that subsidiary books of journal, that is cash book, purchase book, purchase return book, sales return book, like that. And here now we reached up to sales return book. The format is almost same. We also had seen that purchase return journal book. This is also almost like that, but one changes or some changes in the heading is that format is almost same. Here as you know that here the main change is that this column is the date column and the credit note. You already learned that how to prepare the credit note, and in this column we write like the credit note. And here name of customer or account to be credited. That means before that customer's account be debited, we consider that is as our asset. Now we when that sales return is taken place, that means customers return goods to us what we sold. Then here their account, for how much amount they return, that much amount will be credited. So here yellow amount. This is the format. Just we can see that one simple question, then you understand properly. Thereafter, for better understanding, you need to solve many other questions. See here one illustration. One simple. We are seeing that the previous Koina suppliers. Okay. 2 water purifier. Then we had seen that Koina supplier of you. That means we sold goods to Koina suppliers. Find that 2 water purifiers were sold to Raman Traders. That means we already discussed this question in detail. Now we are seeing a part of that only. Koina suppliers find that 2 water purifiers were sold to Raman Traders of rupees 2,100 each, out of which 1 purifier was returned back due to the manufacturing defect. Credit note number 10/2017. In this case, the sales return journal book will be prepared as follows. Very simple only. One simple example is date is not given, but this credit note number is given. And which customer? Raman Traders. Traders, amount is at 2,100. There is no any other transaction. On end of that month we mentioned that 2,100. Just like this, if how many sales return are there, sales return of, you understand that only goods we sold. Okay. That will be recorded here in this way. Next we can see that the journal proper. In journal proper, we record all other entries. That means like purchase of land, purchase of asset, all other entry, all opening and closing entries, like that all Other entries, that means separate entries we are making, or in separate books we are maintaining for that repeated item like purchase return, sales return, bills receivable, bills payable, like that items we or cash book. For this we are making that separate journal book. All of the transactions we record in that the journal itself. That journal is known as that. When we are separating this all, that journal is known as that journal property. Especially this transaction, like this separation will be taken place in the big firms, not in the small firms. Clear now? In big large organization, they have that different books for recording transaction. And here you can see that opening entries. That means when one year is end and next year is opening, so many adjustment balance are carrying. That adjustment entries will be recorded in the journal proper. Also, the adjustment entries. Many things is required to adjust. That means some transaction between that the department, or so many adjustment may be there. Those all adjustment entries will be recorded in that the journal proper. Then rectification entries. That means if any errors is taken place, after that errors are rectified. That rectifying entries are also recording in that the journal proper. Next is that transfer entries. If any things are from any department to department is transfer, like the transfer entries also record in that the journal proper. And other entries, sometime in addition to that the above mentioned entries in the points number 1 to 4, that means we discussed so many items. In addition to there, you can see that many other entries are there. That like at the time of dishonor of a check, entry for cancellation for discount received or discount allowed earlier. So in like that entries, then purchase sales of items on credit other than goods. That we already learned that only goods we purchased in credit or cash, that we are recording in the purchase book and cash book. Sale is also the same way. Other purchases, goods withdrawn by that the owner for personal use. If owner is taking any goods from for his own use, that will be recorded in the journal proper. Goods distributed as samples, sales promotion. If any sale promotion is sample distribution is taken place, that also enter in the journal proper. Endorsement and dishonor of bills of exchange. If bill, in case of bills of exchange, if it is transferring, that you will learn detail in that the bill of exchange lesson. That entries also, common entries are also transferring here. Transaction in respect of constituent and joint ventures, etc. Loss of goods by fire, theft and spoilage. If any loss, theft and like that transaction also we record in that the journal proper. Thank you for watching this class.